Hey guys, and a very good afternoon from a beautifully blue skied Arboleas here in November. I've just come over to do a walk around of a new exclusive listing, Villa Delight, in the desirable hamlet of Los Carrascos, so just a few minutes drive from Arboleas centre, actually within walking distance, about 25 minutes, and of course very easy walking distance to a popular bar restaurant, Nopal, and another one called the Trinidad. Now, this is a beautifully presented and well thought out property. And you can see the exterior walls here are all been heightened for privacy and stone clad. You've got double access gates and a nice pedestrian gate just to the left of those. But the double access gates lead by a flagstone driveway into this nice covered parking area. And even the little side gardens and everything just been beautifully maintained, fruit trees and shrubs all tucked about. So nice shaded parking area. Now a little kind of screening wall divides this area from the side of the property. The building you see there is a nice little kind of casita store shed, utility room. I'll show you that from the inside in a second. And then the main villa, brand new and very nice front door. Separate door access to the right of that goes into the gorgeous kitchen. And you can see a non-slip flagstone terrace adjoins the villa, runs up to another newly terraced area that surrounds the swimming pool. Now this has all been totally refurbished and they've gone for it's a fantastic, I mean, it's a non-slip terrace all the way around the swimming pool area, and then this kind of slate effect, I suppose. Swimming pool tiles, absolutely gorgeous and very unusual. And then coming on around the terrace, you can see ample areas for sunbeds and lounges and everything else. And then another door off of the kitchen, so that's door access off both sides of the kitchen. And then double door access there into one of the bedrooms, you can see. Beautiful backdrop looking from this area of the garden. And that's a central kitchen window. Now that's a kind of extension, I suppose, on the original villa, but it's all legally recorded and done. And you've got a brand new roof being installed on that. And then another little kind of drop down terrace here leads along, and just in the distance there with the bull's head on it, the Angus, you can see another good sized Almacen store shed. But let's go around and take a look at the back garden area. Now this is bathed at the moment, this part of the garden, in beautiful sunshine. It's literally just up above me to my left, but the back garden now is beautifully in shade. Early mornings the sun will be on the back garden area, but the villa's positioned, if you like, centrally, and it's nice that you've got a sunny part of the garden and a shaded part of the garden. And I mean, just looking around, you can see how beautifully this has been maintained. So coming around this side, you've got a good sized store shed utility. Quick look in here, how handy is that? Coming around to the back garden, as you can see, it's all been kind of, other than the nicely planted beds and everything there, it's all been kind of terraced with these fantastic non-slip tiles. Absolutely gorgeous back garden, entertaining area. See the back of air conditioning units there, so coming out here, but look at this, just tucked away. I couldn't photograph these, but wonderful lavender beds, a nice shaded pergola. Sorry, there's a little bit of construction noise going on behind me, but we can forgive that. Now these are another new addition. There was a little doorway there, but these are lovely sliding doors going into the living room. and dining area, which when you get onto the interior, you'll see is all been kind of open planned, beautifully done. Just, I love all these kind of little nooks and crannies and seating areas that you've got. Gosh, we've even got a helicopter up now. They must have known I was coming to record. So another very good size casita storeroom on this side. I'm not going to film inside there, but you can get some idea of the size. Ample room in there for garden furniture, bicycles, you name it. Easily done. And then continues along here. This is kind of a little utility corridor. Washing lines and things like that. And then coming back around. You can hear the pool pump whirring away. And you're in this lovely part of the garden again. Right, let's go and take a look on the interior. If you're like me, you probably can't wait. I've come into what is this front door area here. Now, this was previously a kind of grotty looking open porch. So they've added this new front door, and then you've got really handy, clean as a whistle storage cupboards to your left and your right. So ideal for the coats and the walking gear and everything else. And then double door access into this beautiful living room. So that little hallway on the right there you see connects to two of the bedrooms and a lovely bathroom. Pellet burner you can see here in front, and then the addition of these sliding doors makes a fantastic contribution to making this a wonderful kind of well lit, bright, spacious room. Very much an open plan effect. You can see newly installed air conditioning up here. Little pan round from this angle. So this is a large, if you like, L-shaped room. Now, a lot of the furniture you see can be included, but that's via separate negotiation. So, yeah, opens out into this gorgeous dining area. And that flows wonderfully into this very, very good sized kitchen, which, as you saw, has dual door access to the left and to the right, and looks out over the swimming pool. And look at this double thickness sealstone worktops, top spec appliances, very handy kind of larder cupboard coming up here, very contemporary white tiling. Even this, look at this lovely little tile inlay down on the floor here. It looks like a map, but it's not, it's tiles. Absolutely beautiful. And then the door access out from that side, and even an air conditioning unit placed out here. Back on round. Pan round from this side for you. Back over now. This is one of the main guest bedrooms. But before you get to that, this is a big internal kind of storage room. It's big enough to house a tumble dryer, etc. Now, don't forget you've got the two storage almacenes on the outside, two fantastic floor-to-ceiling cupboards as you come through the front entrance, and then some internal storage as well. So into this very good sized double bedroom, as you can see, floor-to-ceiling, one entire wall, mirror-fronted fitted wardrobes. And an exceptionally good sized ensuite bathroom with it's kind of a wet room effect floor. So into this kind of shower, there's no tray or anything. This is very easy access. Full air conditioning in here as well. Fly screens fitted throughout. And then on the far side of the lounge, so that's a fantastic guest bedroom because it just gives guests additional privacy because they're right on the other side of the villa to where the owners have the principal bedroom. So bedroom number 3, which is kind of being used as a workroom office area. But again, it's a good size double. Very commonplace. I know many of you, the 3 beds, are the minimum number of bedrooms, but how many third bedrooms you see used as kind of music rooms and sewing rooms and whatever. Very commonplace. And then this dividing central bathroom. Again, another very, very easy access double shower, but how beautiful is this tiling scheme? I'm falling in love with this one. Very different, but very beautiful. I love the hand basin. Yeah. Immediately to the right of that, the principal room, ceiling fan, new air conditioning unit. Slide across fly screen panels there on the window, and then this double door access straight out poolside. Little pan round from this side for you. And there you have it, the fantastic Villa Delight in the Los Carrascos community area of Arboleas. Full details available very short. And viewings have already commenced. So if you'd like to come and see this, and we very much advise a quick viewing because properties to this caliber just aren't coming onto the market, especially in this location. So we very much advise a quick viewing. If you'd like to arrange that, get in touch as always. Calida Homes at hotmail.com, or just give us a call. +34 950 430 763. Thanks for watching.